Touristic place presentation. Hello, my name is Wilmar Leon. I am a student of the English Level 3 course at Sena. Today I am going to talk about a tourist place in my region, Cajica, Cundinamarca. Where is it? Cajica is a municipality located in the department of Cundinamarca in Colombia. It is very close to Bogota, the capital of the country. Because of its location, many people visit it on weekends. How is it? Cajica is a beautiful and peaceful place. It has a traditional atmosphere with colorful house and a lounge central square. Compared to Bogota, Cajica is smaller and more relaxing. What attractions are there? In Cajica, you can find mountain, green la lampshades, colonial house, and an important church. The main attraction in the Central Park on with the church of our, Our Lady of the Rosary. The place is very special because it shows, shows its history and culture of the town. Feelings and opinion. Cajica transmits peace, happiness, and tradition. I chose this place because it represents a culture of Cundinamarca, and it is very close to Bogota, so many people can enjoy it. In many of opinion, Cajica is one of the best ta- towns to visit in many regions. Thank you very much for your attention.